Hello crafty friends, it's Courtney Brickner with the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to share a little something with you today that I have not tried yet, so we're going to see if it works. So I've seen these, cute little things at the Dollar Tree. My thought is that they are not good for vinyl, but I don't know for sure. So I'm going to try it out today. It's back to school time, a little inexpensive backpack or lunchbox for, I doubt these are going to last all year, but they might last for a little while. They might be a good little snack pack. They might be something good for after school, just for, bring into little activities. I don't know, but I thought I would try some vinyl and see how it works out. Let y'all know if you should go get it or not. So that's the plan today. I'm going to be using Juliet to cut out some HTV. And I'm going to see if it works. I'm also going to use my little easy press. I figure I will put the heat low because this is flimsy material. Let me just say that. But I'm going to try it. So come along with me and let's see how it works. So the first thing that we're going to do is open Juliet and click the text button, and we're going to add a name. So we can change the fonts here and find something that we really think is cute. I actually didn't decide on a font before I got on here. I should have, but here I am looking through all the fonts. I feel like sometimes this takes the longest part of the project, is finding something that you think is super cute. So, okay, I just need to decide. Let me see. Not that. Oh my gosh. Okay, how about this one? That's cute. Okay, apply. Sorry, I couldn't figure it out. So I've already measured what I think will fit on the bag and lunchbox, and we're going to go with just 4 inches here, and I'd like to add an offset. So we're going to click the little star there, and we're going to click editable contour, cut only, and I'm also going to include the holes so that the O and the E aren't filled in. And I'm going to increase the offset and change the color so that I can just see it a little bit better, because if it's black, I can't really see that it's an offset. So let's change it to the pink. Okay, perfect. And then we will increase the offset. And all right, I like that. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and click apply. And now the offset will show on our canvas. And I'm going to change the colors because it doesn't really matter, because obviously you can cut it whatever you want, but I just kind of want to see what it's going to look like. So let's do a little purple on the inside and pink on the outside. And let's do a little bit darker pinky purple, I think. I don't know. Let's see. I got to change this. Okay, so I'm on the color changing wheel, and you can change it to any color you'd like. Perfect, that's the one I want. I want the pink and the purple because I feel like that's going to look good with the backpack. Okay, so now we are ready to cut. We will send our project to, we're going to keep it this, select all the artwork, move each color layer to the origin, and we are going to send it to our cutter. So it's first going to cut the middle part, and then it's going to cut the offset, and then we are good to go. So send this to Juliet. Okay, so I've got my backpack and the lunchbox. I've got my easy press set to 1, and I just weeded these. Man, I forgot to turn the camera on when I weeded them, so you didn't get to see that. But just so you know what I did before, dang it, I wanted you to see that. I'm gonna try and do it again, but I've already started it. I forgot to press record, so here we are. I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. Oh my goodness, I hate when that happens. Just don't even press record. So I'm trying to just press this on, tack it on because that's the bottom layer. All right, it's going on there. Now I'm gonna put on the top layer. I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet on here. So I'm thinking that the trick is to not have it sit in one spot for too long. I think that will help it. I've got it on low temperature. All right, that is not even staying on. Maybe I'm just not doing it long enough. I'm nervous that it's going to melt, so I'm trying to not have it on there too long. Okay, I think it worked. I've got the pressing pillow on the inside so that, because I was worried that this might actually melt and stick to the back part. So hey, it did not tear up or burn up the bag, so that works. Let's try this one. I'm going to fold it over like that. Still have the pressing pillow inside, so I have an even surface to press it on. It's kind of an awkward shaped thing. So let's put that here. Is it even? Let's see. Okay. All right, let's put the Teflon sheet on. The reason I'm just using this Teflon sheet is I'm just trying to protect it from the heat as much as possible. God bless you. All right, let's see if this is working. Okay, this one is burning a little bit. So yeah, you can see it's burning the inside. I'm gonna still put on the top layer. We'll see how it works. I think the backpack is great. This one, not so much. It's burning that, what do you call that? The insulated part on the inside. All right, I'm gonna try and go faster over it, not stay on one part too long. I don't know about this. That's not even sticking. I think I went way too fast. All right, let's try it again. I have it on the lowest setting, but I don't think that inside likes the heat. All right, I'm gonna go over it one more time without the carrier sheet on, with just this Teflon sheet, because that top of the J didn't stick. All right, fast and furious over there. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to press record for part of the process. It was showing you how to weed. I think you know how to weed, so hopefully that wasn't a major setback. I did have a little trick for weeding the glitter. You know, glitter is sometimes hard to see the cut lines, so if you're weeding glitter, my recommendation is to just kind of roll it like that, and then the cut lines just kind of magically fold into place. So then you don't risk cutting where you shouldn't cut because you can't see it, and it's just easier to weed. So I did film that, but I forgot to press record, so here we are. But what we wanted to see was, does the Dollar Tree, or do the Dollar Tree items hold up to vinyl if you want to get some and customize them? I say the lunchbox, it's okay, but it's starting to, you can kind of see it rippling a little bit right there. And on the inside, you can just see that it was starting to melt that little insulation inside. So I think it looks good on the outside, but just be super careful because I do think it will melt. I had it on the lowest setting, so it might work. And then the backpack, I think, worked great. I actually thought it might melt, but it did nothing on the inside. I had the pressing pillow in between it, and it looks really cute. So the Dollar Tree backpack does work. And this is the same material as the little cinch sack backpacks as well. And I actually got one of those because I'm going to try that too. So I'll test it out and I'll let you know. But the backpack works. Lunch pack works. Not the best, but I think it works in a pinch. This is a really cute little thing to have for after school. I don't think it's going to last all year, but just, quick things running here and there, a cute little bag. I like it. So I say yes to that. If you liked this video and you're happy to know that this might work and you're going to run out to your Dollar Tree and get one, even if you're not, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications so you don't miss anything crafty, because I'm here every week making crafty content and I'm excited to share it with you and I want you to watch. So I want you to get notified. So thank you for watching. Thanks for being here today. I truly appreciate your support of my channel and me. And I will be back next week. And until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.